So the first thing that you do is you type in storyboardthat.com. When you get to this screen, click Create a Storyboard. It will take you here. Then I want you to go to Add Cells. You are required to do 6 cells, so 6 different squares that tell the story. Sorry, it's loading. It might take you a minute, but it is loading. So after you get to this page where it has all of these cool things, hit Add Cells, and I want you to make it 3 by 2, so 3 across and 2 down, and hit Update Storyboard. So you should have 6 squares that you can work with. You can make more if you'd like, if it takes more squares to tell your story, but I think that 6 will be sufficient or enough. So on the first square, say I want it to take place in, here's some different scenes that you can do. Maybe home, indoor. I want it to take place in my bathroom because that's a good place for me to learn a lesson. I can also do characters. So if I want to add people, this is me right here. I'm gonna make my hair brown, my skin pink, my eyes blue, my shirt, I'll make it black. Maybe that. My pants can be, nah, we'll make the pants black too. Cool. I can even change the color of my shoes. Edit pose. I can make her, what? Oh my gosh! All right. Okay, that's what she's gonna look like. So then I'm gonna add maybe some text. So each of your boxes needs to have words in it. So this one, I'll go, oh my goodness, I did not see you there, Grandma. So then I gotta put a grandma in there, right? Because there's an old lady. I'm sure there's an old lady somewhere. There's an old person. Hey, he's a bride. All sorts of different characters in here. Oh, here's some old people. Oh, this is my grandma. Okay. This is so not appropriate for school. I'm going to move this girl to this side. Yeah. Oh. This is kind of complicated, but okay, there we go. So her grandma's going potty and she walked in on her, right? So then you'll say like, maybe another textable, just a text box down here. I'm gonna make this bigger and it's gonna say, once upon a time, I learned a valuable lesson. I was 10 years old and my grandma was going to the bathroom. I really had to go too. There was only one bathroom in the house. I forgot to knock and I walked in on my grandma. And then we'll go back to the scenes. Where's the bathroom again? Same scene. Add my character. And then, I don't know where my character is. So you get the picture. You keep telling the story, and then the last frame will be down here. I'm going to change the scene. I'm just going to do like something pretty. Where's something pretty? Let's do like, oh yeah, we'll just do a pattern. So then my characters again, my girl. I think that I can copy and paste her. Let's see. No, I can't. Dang it. Gotta find her again then. Well, pretend it was her. That might be a boy. Okay, this guy. Brown hair. And then we'll do textable again. I learned a valuable lesson. Always knock before entering a room, especially when it is a restroom. So you'll tell your whole story and then you'll end with your valuable lesson. And then I want you to go to save. You'll save it with your Google account. If you just click Google, it should save to your Google. You have to click this box too. And the title, Lesson Learned, Lancaster. Save storyboard. And then you should be able to download it. So if you go down to download images / PowerPoint, just do it as a PDF. And then save it to your documents. If you need help with this, I can show you how to do that. Lesson learned Lancaster, there it is. Okay, then if you go to Google Drive, you should be able to upload it to your drive. So I'm going to put it in my ELD folder here. And then new file upload. I'm going to find my lessons learned, Lancaster. And then I should be able to view it right there. So that way, when you submit it on Canvas, you can upload this document from your drive to Canvas. How you do that is you go to your ELD class and you find the module. And you find the assignment. It should be in lessons learned in this week right here, lessons learned week 4, and it should be at the very bottom, and you will do it as a file upload so you can upload straightly from Google Docs. Okay.